guys, oh, it's shaking, hold on, there we go. I wanted to quickly touch in and grab a video of a sample album that we recently got in. I have not gotten a video of this, and I know that I'm always getting a ton of questions from clients about what the albums look like. We do include a signature album in all of our wedding collections, and that's just because I feel like printing and archiving your photos in this way is way more impactful than just having them digitally. So they're included in all of our collections, and I just want to show you how absolutely gorgeous they are. So this one is the Fleshmont album. This is a 10 by 10, and this features like the gold debossing. With this sample, I went with something very simple, just the Amarals, which is their last name. You can customize your debossing. There's other options like silver and gold and black, but I really like the combination of like this linen color and the gold specifically. So you can see, let me see if I can show it to you, how nice that linen is and all of that texture. And then the thickness of this book is so nice. The pages too are insanely thick. I don't know if you can see that, but they're just so good. So with these albums, when I design them, I always design them with the client's story in mind. So I always start with getting ready or the beginning of the wedding. I like to include little things that are part of their story, like the details and the perfumes and all of that stuff. We always include the bridal party. Oh, can you guys see? Yeah. And it goes in sequence, again, because I like to have that story told. Also, when I'm designing albums, I like to make sure that I don't, the light is so weird in here, guys, sorry, that I don't include more than 4 photos per page, because you can just see how impactful it is to have one full page of like this beautiful photo, right? And then when you move into the 4 photos, still really pretty, but a lot less impactful. So I don't like to do more than that. And then we always end with like the reception photos. In this situation, they had a planned exit, so that was really fun. So these, I believe this is a 20 page. And you can see, like, can you see that? How thick that is. Right now we are offering linen. I think I might go into velvet because I just love how luxurious and amazing and just like soft that looks. But currently these are gorgeous. I offer only a few colors because I like to keep things really classic and simple. So this is this color right here. This is by far the best seller. And it looks amazing anywhere. It's just that really nice creamy neutral. Then we have a black and this gray. This is probably, this might be my second favorite, or the blue. The dark gray, and then if you look up close, you can really see all of that detail. These are the fine linens. And there's a blue, maybe you can see that detail better. But guys, these are absolutely gorgeous. Again, included in all of our collections. Please print your photos, and if you haven't thought about that, then I definitely help you do that. And oh, and the last thing I wanted to mention with these is they're lay flat. And what that means is when you're typically going through any other kind of book, you're kind of having to hold the pages back, if that makes sense. But this is completely lay flat, and you don't have to worry about, you know, holding anything back while you're trying to view your wedding. So that is it. If you guys have any additional questions, let me know, but these are stunning and such a good ending to your special day for sure.